Welcome to EZO. We're here to make charging your EV quick, simple, and stress-free. To get started, download the EZO app from the Apple or Google Play Store and set up your account. In the app, you'll find two ways to pay. One, EZO Wallet. Top it up anytime and use your balance to charge. Two, EZO Charge and Go. Just add your card and pay as you go based on energy used. Using our Tritium RT50, you've got 4 easy options. Via the app, we always recommend that you plug in the charger first. Then open the app, tap on Map and select Charger. Select the charger and connector. On the charger, choose Max, 100%, or 80% charge level and press Start. Charging will commence. When finished, open the app, stop the session, and press Stop on the charger. With a credit or debit card, plug in the charger. Tap credit/debit card on payment. Select connector. On the charger, choose Max, 100%, or 80% charge level. Press Start. To stop charging, tap debit and credit card and press Stop button on charger. Unplug your EV via QR code. Plug in the charger. Scan QR code corresponding to the connector. Click on Initiate Charging on the web page. Agree to the terms of use and enter your card details. Select connector, choose Max 100% or 80% charge level. To stop charging, open web page and click Stop Charging. Press Stop button on charger. Unplug your EV. With your EZO fob or RFID card, plug in the charger. Tap your fob or RFID card. Select connector. On the charger, choose Max 100% or 80% charge level. Press Stop and then tap the RFID card and fob. Unplug your EV. If you need support, please call our 24/7 support line. Thank you for charging with EZO.